Alright, so welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your WhatsApp status settings. Or if you don't want some specific contact to be seeing your WhatsApp status that you share, you can change these settings on your WhatsApp. Now to do that, you just have to come to the update tab, and then from there you see the three dots at the top here. So when you go there, then you go to status privacy. Now when you come to the status privacy, we have three options here. So the first one is my contact. Now, if you put it on my contact, it means that every contact on your WhatsApp will be seeing your WhatsApp status that you share. And when you come to the second option, that is my contact except. That means when you use this option, you can exclude specific contact. That means you can select some contact not to see your WhatsApp status. So if you don't want specific contact to be seeing your WhatsApp status, you just have to select those contacts, and now when you finish, you hit on the apply. Now the third one is only share with. Now if you choose the only share with, it means that your WhatsApp status can only be seen by those specific contacts that you include. So when you come here, you see a list of your contact on your WhatsApp. So those that you want them to be seeing your WhatsApp status, you just have to select them, and now when you finish, you tap on the apply. So these are the three options you can use to change your WhatsApp status, meaning you can hide it from specific people. You can also just allow some specific people to be seeing your WhatsApp status. And the last thing that you see here, we call it allow sharing. It means if you allow sharing, others who can see your WhatsApp status can reshare what you have shared, or maybe forward it to others as well. And then down there that you see there is just to share across various apps like Facebook or Instagram. So that's how you can use to change your WhatsApp status privacy. Now let me know in the comment section if you're having any challenges. I'll be there to help you or answer any questions. If this video has been very helpful, please give it a thumb up. And don't forget to share this video as well. Now keep watching the rest of my videos. I'll see you. Bye-bye.